Hello friends, it's lunch time. Today I'm going to tell you about the unknown facts of 10 farm animals. So let's begin. Cow. Cow has excellent sense of smell. Horse can rotate ears 180 degrees, focus on different sound. The American buffalo is the national mammals of the United States. Pigs. Pigs are highly intelligent. Do you know that? Please write in comment box. Rabbits. Rabbits' teeth never stop growing. Rooster. Roosters are quick learners. Amazing. Donkey have incredible efficient digestive systems. Goldfish has no stomach. Turkey. The color of their heads can change to indicate their emotions. Duck. Ducks have excellent vision. Thank you for watching this and subscribe my channel for such interesting videos and singing videos, and thank you.